Hello and welcome to Weekend Tips, and today we're talking about how to use coinpot. For those who don't know what coinpot is, coinpot is a cryptocurrency micro wallet, as is written here. Used to store all your claims from these faucets, so you can be able to withdraw it and put it in another external wallet and convert it to money, or you can use it to buy anything online. So for new users, if you are just joining coinpot, then you register, put your email address and password, and for this place, instead of just clicking it once, just click and hold it for like 1 second and release. So you won't have to solve the captcha and just have to register from there. So for me, I'm already registered, I don't need to do that anymore, so I just have to sign in. Let me put my password. Then I'll do the same thing here too, so that's what I do for most captchas. So you can see this is my dashboard, and see I'm not a new user here, and I have almost 11,000 tokens and little bit of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. So if you want to gain these types of tokens and bitcoins, I'll put the link below so you can check it out. So let's claim from the faucet, and let me show you how to claim, because as a new user everything will be blank. You have 000. So what you just have to do is go back to the coinpot.co and so if you've clicked on the links I've provided, you'll have been redirected to a place like this, where you see something like this: your Moondash, your Bitcoin, bonus Bitcoin, Litecoin and Dogecoin. So for the Bitcoin, you have to click on claim from this faucet and register with the coinpot address you used and the email and everything. Same, don't change anything, because everything you claim with here will be redirected to your coinpot address. So for me now, it's already signed in automatically. So whenever it's at least 5 minutes, so for 5 minutes you have to claim on claim Facebook Diary man. So here we do the same thing as usual, so just hold and wait for it to load. It takes time sometimes to load. Well, it's not working here, so you just have to do it and verify. Claim. You see, I've gained like at least like 10,000 satoshis or 10 satoshis. So those, yeah, you can check your coinpot in your coinpot, and it should have been there. That's all.